what's up guys, welcome back to Cop Shop Productions. In this week's video, I'm on my way to Goulburn to have a look at a car that I had no intention of getting. It kind of just popped up in front of me and I was like, oh well, too cheap to pass up. I think I'm going to have to bite the bullet. I haven't seen the car in person yet, hence why I'm going to have a look. If you're seeing this, chances are I probably bought the car. The car is an R31 Skyline. It's in fair condition, has 250,000 kilometers, it's automatic. Supposedly there's something wrong with the diff and that's how it came up for me to be able to buy it. The price was just too good to pass up. Like, it's $1,000 was the price he gave me, and that's less than I paid for the E36. To have one pop up for $1,000, and when I was talking over with Alyssa, even she said this, like I was kind of looking for any reason not to go and look at this car because I'm bad at impulse buying shit. And she said, look, if you don't get this car, you're kind of stupid, right? Like, if it's got a good motor and it's got no rust, it's a good chassis, it's a good foundation to either build, like manual swap and drift, or fucking bring back to Canberra and sell for $3 grand profit. Yeah, we'll jump in and have a look at this car and see how we go. What have I done? Well, we have an R31 now. It's a 1990 R31 Nissan Skyline. It's got some damage around it. It's not the worst, but definitely not the best, and perfect to drift, even though it's automatic. I got this for $1,000, considering this clapped out one's unregistered, for like $4,500 on Marketplace as I'm speaking right now. Like, the current market for these things is actually pretty ridiculous. So I could easily just flip this thing as is and easily at least make my money back and or make some profit on top of that. So I'm stoked about that. What am I going to do with the car though? That's where it gets interesting. We're going to drift this thing. It's going to be the immediate replacement for the BMW. I knew as soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm not going to care about this thing just like the BMW. However, RB30, reliable. There's almost always at least one R31 out at the track when I'm drifting, so I know they're reliable. I've seen heaps of videos of them sliding, and once you actually give them a bit of attention, they're not half bad looking cars. As it is, it's rough. But I'll try and keep it a bit that way, just so that it's a reminder of what this car is here and intended for. I was told I had a blown diff. That's initially why I heard about this car, because I was asked to find one for it. But I just drove from Goulburn to Tarago, which is a 30-minute drive, I guess, and it seems fine. It sits at, 110 on the highway, perfectly fine. It has some guts, even though it's automatic. It's nice and quiet. It's the perfect tailie, and the best part, 12 months registration on it, fresh. It was just registered for $1,000. Fuck, I could daily this thing for the next 8 months, sell it with 4 months reg on it, and still make my money back, and have all that time spent just driving around. But needless to say, I don't think I'm going to be losing my money on this car. I think it was a good buy. This car kind of just popped up in front of me, as if to say, it's yours. It's meant to be. Weird as shit. Like, sold the E36, intended to finish the 32, and this popped up. It's probably a distraction because it's not going to allow me to finish the 32 too quickly, but I mean, look at it. That's such a sendable car. I'm super stoked on it. I'll give you guys a good look over the car. Alrighty, so straight off the bat, there it is. First bit of damage. I noticed this little thing here. It's obviously had some kind of impact there or something. I guess I'm not too worried because this might slap a wall at some stage. Moving along, paint fade on the bonnet that you can't really see. Yep, nope, yep, anyway, it's there, trust me. Dings on the door, which you can see pretty easily there. That there, which is not the best, but again, just kind of what sold me on the car. If it was cleaner, I wouldn't want to drift it because of this stuff like that. Like, who cares, right? It's just a 31. I say that now, but in 10 years time these will be rare and people will be going, oh my god, a 31, oh it's actually kind of clean, oh my god, why'd he drift that? And I'll think back and go, well, because they were shit. Paint fade, paint fade, paint fade, like there's no clear on the bonnet. The front's not too bad, I guess. This is actually this is what makes the 31s look good in my opinion. This front end is my favorite thing about the 31s. The rest of it's kind of shit in my opinion, like a lot of it. I'm not a super big 31 guy. This This is the only part of the 31 that I really like. And the interior, the front end from like there forwards is sick. This back, probably about the middle section, is not what I would consider a super nice looking car. I guess it'll grow on me, it's already starting to, but yeah. And then I guess their back looks sick again. Just take out that middle portion, maybe take out one of the doors, should be sick. Yeah, bit of damage all around, no rust. It was a Goulburn car its whole life. Interior's a bit, well, crap. Old school analog dash. This with a clean up, I reckon could be pretty nice. Like, it's dusty at the moment, but that's about it. The whole interior's a bit, how you going? But she's kind of, yeah, it's basic, I guess. And it's all here. Spare wheel, check. Some crap. R31 swimming pool. Yep, very nice. RB30. So the guy, when I first rocked up, I was like, oh, is it going to start or has it been sitting for a little while? And he said, oh, it's been sitting, I don't think it'll start. He jumps in, turns the key, this thing cranks right over straight away. Like, I was actually quite surprised that it just straight up started. It's got injector tick, as you can hear, that's that little noise. And a noisy ass fan, god damn. Yep. I'm stoked. It is such a shit box. Anyway guys, that is going to be it for this week's video. I hope you have enjoyed this spontaneous car purchase. I will keep you guys updated. If you guys want to see little things that we do along the way, probably like cleaning it, I will be doing that all over TikTok and Instagram as well. Yeah, should be good. Keen to see how it goes. And yeah, I just got to end the video. Hey, I'll just keep talking on. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one. Like, subscribe if you're keen for 31 content. I'll catch you later. See you later.